So here we've got the magic iPhone fixing box. We're going to try and use it today to fix Ben's iPhone. But this is too big. Ben's iPhone's really small. It's just, see, this it's too big. I don't know what will happen if we use such a big one, so we'll just make it smaller. 3, 2, 1. That's perfect. Right, so we'll put that up there. We'll put Ben's phone in it. So we'll just open it up like that. And then we'll get Ben's phone and we'll just put it in the magic iPhone fixing box. We'll just close it. This thing, it works pretty good. Usually does a good job. We'll just check Ben's phone, see if it's fixed yet. Just open up the magic box. Pull out the phone. Oh no. Oh, that's not right. Something wrong with the magic box. That's never happened before. It was not black. I'm sure it was a black one. Nothing else in there. This thing's knackered, isn't it? Let's put this one back in. We'll just leave it again for a minute and see how we get on. Maybe if we try some taps. Magic taps. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Open them up again. What we got in here? Oh, that's Ben's phone, yeah. Perfect. But still broken. Something going funny with this magic box. Let's put it back in. We'll try again. Maybe we need more taps. Stick the phone in there. Shut the box. Let's just take it out and have a look. Right, we'll give it a magic tap again. And then just open it up. Fingers crossed this worked, because otherwise it's game over for me. Oh, it's went upside down again. I'll just put it up there. Let's have a look. Yes, it worked. Good. Come and get your phone, Ben. It's fixed.